Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi EC680M espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought here because it was leaking steam while it was brewing coffee. So for this machine we only had to replace the steamer band, and we also replaced the motion gasket, that is the motion valve gasket inside the machine as well, just to make sure that it doesn't leak or anything anywhere else. And yeah, that's all we did. We replaced that little motion valve inside the group head, and we replaced the whole steamer assembly. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam. We're using our own portafilter as the machine did not come with one, so bear that in mind. As you can see, there are no leaks coming from the steamer one, and it's extracting very well. You can see the crema forming at the top of the espresso. Really excellent color and really good crema as well coming out of the machine. Excellent shot, and no leaking through here. As you can see, hot water works perfectly fine. Nice steady steam coming out of the machine. And the steamer, we're gonna test it out as soon as the machine gets ready. And you get that espresso shot. It's really good. Excellent crema. Alright, steamer is ready. So we're gonna test it out as well. And as you can see, it's a nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Working really great. No leaks or anything like that. Excellent pressures, excellent temperatures. Putting my hand right here. Working excellent. And there you have it, the DeLonghi EC680M working once again and not dripping through the steamer one while it's brewing coffee. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.